Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are fine and safe at your homes. So, children, today we are going to practice what, children? FA3 revision. FA3 means formative assessment third. Today we are going to revise this topic. What are the portions, children? Here for FA3 portions are from page number 35 to page number 40. Here are some topics which we are going to revise in today's class. First one is amazing inventions and instruments, spacewalk and body, blessing, champions. And read it out again, children. Amazing inventions, instruments, spacewalk, body, blessings. Last one, champions. Today we are going to revise about these topics. This is our FA3 portion, children. We are going to revise about today's revision class. So children, in the FA3 portion, question paper test, question paper pattern, what are the mains it will come and for how much marks it will come. First main, match the following. It is for 4 marks. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Next main, that is filling the blanks. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Each filling the blanks carries 1 mark and there will be 4 filling the blanks. So it will be for 4 marks. Likewise, match the following also will be getting for 4 marks. Understood, children? Each match the following, how much it will be for 1 mark. Last main, answer the following questions. It is for 2 marks. There will be 2 question answers. You should answer. Each question answers carries each 1 mark. Understood, children? These are the FA3 question paper pattern, and these are the portions which we are going to revise in today's class. Let us start, children. Today's topic: amazing inventions by great. There are some great people who invented the great things. First thing, I will read it out. What are the inventions they have made? First one, air conditioner, cellophane tape, antiseptic, aeroplane, steam engine, and next one, television, car, and at last, telephone. I'll read it out once again, children. Air conditioner, cellophane tape, antiseptic, and aeroplane, steam engine, television, car, and telephone. First one, it was invented by Willis Carrier. Air conditioner was invented by who, children? Willis Carrier. It is used for making you comfortable in summer season. Air conditioner is used for cool breeze. Next one, cellophane tape. Who was invented this, children? Richard Draw. Richard Draw invented this cellophane tape. It uses for multi-purpose. Multi-purpose for home also and in office also. For all the products you can use this cellophane tapes. Right now, children? And next one, antiseptic. It was invented by Ignaz Philipp. It helps to wipe out the childbed fever. Antiseptic is used for why? For wipe out the childbed fever. That is antiseptic. It is invented by who? Ignaz Phillips. Next one, aeroplane. Aeroplane was invented by who, children? Wright brothers. Aeroplane, what it does? It carries the people as well as goods from one country to other country. You can travel anywhere and in quick time you can go through aeroplane. Whereas other means of transport, aeroplane is very fastest transport. Understood, children? Who was invented? Wright brothers. Next one, steam engine. Steam engine was invented by James Watt. James Watt invented the steam engine, and it is a performs mechanical work using steam. With the help of steam and mechanical work, the steam engine is used to work. Who was invented? James Watt. Next, television. J.L. Blood. Who invented the television, children? J.L. Blood. J.L. Blood means John Logie Blood. You can see the moving pictures in that. You can see many programs in televisions, entertainments too, news, movies, songs, everything you can see through television. And next one, car.
In the olden days, there was letter. They used to write letter and the postman will post it. So it takes very long time for the process. So who invented a telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. By this, from any place we can make a call for any one children, and it connects in seconds, which is the telephone. So these are the inventions, great inventions done by great persons. And next one, instruments. Instrument means thing which is used for what? Instrument. These are the instrument things which is used for various purposes. First one, weightlifting scale. Weighting scale. Microscope. Why it has been used? We can read it out, children. Thermometer, odometer, telescope, and next one, binocular, and weighing. I read it again. Instruments like weighting scale, microscope, thermometer, odometer, telescope, binoculars, and weighing. These are instruments used in which all purpose? Let us study, children. Weightlifting scale. It is used to measure the weight of a thing or a object. Weightlifting is means it is used in many malls, stores, any, because everywhere you can find out weightlifting. In that machine, what happens? It shows the weight amount, the weight of the thing or particular object, children. Next one, microscope. Microscope means we cannot see the small particles, but through the microscope we can see that clearly. It is used to see the magnified view of small objects, organisms, bacteria, everything we can find out in microscope itself, children. Thermometer. It is used to measure the temperature, body temperature. Thermometer is used in that. The mercury will be present in the thermometer. By using with the help of that liquid coil, thermometer is used for measuring temperature. And next one, odometer. In every vehicle there will be meter speed, you can see from 0 to 140 or 0 to 60 or 180. There will be some approximate speed, that is, it is measured what? Odometer is measured speed of the vehicle, how speed you travel a ride, that it shows the circle, that is odometer. And next one, telescope. Telescope, it is used to view distant object. By telescope you can view the distant object, you can view the stars, moons, everything you can see nearby with the help of telescope. And next one, binocular. Binocular, everyone knows, no children. It is also electro-wide. but moreover there is surrounded by more water in the earth's surface. 70% has been water, it has been covered. Next one, Alex Luvia. Who is this Alex? Alexei Luna. He is the first person to walk on the space. In the solar system, the space, he is the first person to walk on the space. These are about space walk. Going to the next phase, that is body. It is what has products a body and it has built with several parts like heart, lungs, brain, stomach, tongue, nose, spinal cord and hands. What are the functions we can learn, children? Heart, lungs, brain, stomach, tongue, nose, spinal cord and hands. Here firstly, why heart is used firstly, you can say, children. Heart is the main part of our body. Why? Because it pumps the blood and circulates the whole body. Heart pumps the blood to the whole body. The function of heart is pumping the blood. In this there will be right ventricle, left ventricle, areas, everything will be mentioned in this children. Next one, lungs. Without lungs can you breathe? No. So for respiratory organs, what is mostly used? Lungs. Lungs is used for breathing purpose. You can inhale, breathe purpose. Next one, brain. Brain, why it is used, children? For thinking capacity. Brain is used for control all your organs and store your memories. Brain controls all our organs and stores memory in the brain. And stomach. Stomach, what it does? Stomach, it stores the food and it digests the food. And next one, speak. Without tongue can you speak, children? No. With the help of the tongue you can speak. So tongue is used for why? For speaking purpose. And nose. With the help of nose you can smell beautiful flower, fragrance, you can smell everything delicious, dishes, favorite dishes. Yes, no, children? So with the help of what you will smell, children? With the help of nose. Smell the amazing odors. And next one, spinal cord. It helps to stay straight. For standing or sitting straight, there will be a spinal cord. You can think that is a backbone. Spinal cord is a makes us straight. And at last, hands. Without hands you can do anything, any work, your writing, your playing purpose, we need hands. So why hands is used? Hands is used for various things, for many purpose the hands is being used, children. Going to the next phase, that is These are the champions games. National games. Here are some national games, children. National games means the game which is performed in the country. National game. Everyone knows about national animal is tiger, national bird peacock. Likewise, here are some national games. So children, national games. First one, India's national game, which is the children hockey. Hockey is the India's national game. In Argentina, pato. Pato is the national game of Argentina. In Canada, ice hockey. They play in the snow. That is ice hockey. Fourth one, China. China's national game, children, table tennis. Table tennis is the national game of China. Mexico. Mexico national game is charreria game. It is a game played through horse. Spain. Spain is the national game of bull fighting. Bull fighting. They used to leave a bull and a person will be standing and what? He will be playing the game with the bull. Next, Australian game, cricket. Australia's national game, that is cricket. And at last, sumo wrestling. Sumo wrestling is a game for which country? National game for Japan country. I teach it our children. National games. India's national game hockey. Argentina pato. Canada ice hockey. China table tennis. Mexico charreria game. Spain bullfighting. Australia cricket. And Japan sumo wrestling. These are the national games, children. So children, going to the next, here are some strike out one, odd one out. Here are some fruits: watermelon, apple, penguin, kiwi. Penguin is animal, so we should circle out. Yellow, white, black and teddy. Here are some colors. So teddy is a what? Playable thing. So you should circle out teddy. Big, huge, large and tiny. Here these are the big, huge, large. Everything is similar for one thing, big thing. So tiny, it is a small, you can circle out. Square, circle and triangle. Here we are seeing the shapes, children. Line, it is not in the shape, so line we can circle out. Next one, cake, biscuit, coffee and pastries. So this here coffee is a odd one out. Here are some animals, we can match their tails. You can find out the cow and the tail you can find out here and put the number 1. Fish, you can see the in the C part, that is fish tail. Cat, they are given in the A part. You should write the proper number, children. Lion, lion is here in the B part, that is 4. You should write down. Monkey, monkey, it is in D part. Next one, donkey, donkey, you can see it is in the same line. In the F column you should write down the number 6. These are the some match the animals their tails. So children, going to the next, segregate. Segregate means here are some jumbled continents, countries and ocean states. It has given in the box. We should separate them. Segregate means separating. So in this we have separated some states: West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat. You can select the words here, children. Select the states. Now in this circle, in the box, select the countries and write the correct answers. First one, China, Canada, London, India, Japan, Mexico. These are the countries they are given in the box. Search it and write the correct answers, children. Next one, continents. Australia, Antarctica, Europe, Africa and Asia. These are the continents, and the oceans: Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Indian Ocean. So children, now let's know about some sports. Here are some well-known cricket players. Here are first half. They are given the first half phases. You should join to the next part, that is second half phases. In the first half you can see whose picture is given, children. MS Dhoni. You can mark the half part, that is you can put the number here 1. Second one is Sachin Tendulkar. You can write the number 2, half part. And third one, they have given the options Shikhar Dhawan. Third is the Shikhar Dhawan. You should write the number 3. And the fourth one, children, Virendra Sehwag. Fourth one, the option you should search Virendra Sehwag. You should match the faces. And fifth one, Rohit Sharma. You can search it the Rohit Sharma and make that fifth one. And Kapil Dev. It is in the D part. You can write the option there 6. These are some famous cricket faces, children. They have given first half. You should complete second half options, children. Understood, children?
I hope all you understood today's revision class, whatever we practiced today about all these topics, whatever I have gone through it. Just practice twice and thrice. Hope all you understood today's class. Hope all you will do well in the test, FA3 test. All the best for